Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an American coffee shop from a barista's point of view. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two coffee shop workers, Jake and Sophie, and the customers who visit their shop. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How much does a hot latte cost at this coffee shop? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning. It is still dark outside.
Yeah, it is really early. Can you turn on the lights?
Sure. There we go. That is better.
Okay, I'll start putting the cups out. Where are the big ones?
They're on the shelf behind you. I'll turn on the espresso machine.
Thanks. Oh, the machine is cold. It always takes a while in the morning.
That's why we come so early. If the machine is cold, the coffee is weak.
Right. How long does it take to warm up?
About 20 to 30 minutes, so we need to get here early every day.
I see, so that is the reason we start before 6.
Yes, a warm machine makes good coffee. A cold machine makes bad coffee. It's that simple.
Okay, the cups are ready. What about the menu board?
I will write today's special on it. We have a new dark roast this week.
Nice. Where is that from?
It's from Colombia. The beans smell really good. Here, take a look.
Oh, you're right. They smell wonderful. Is it strong?
A little bit, but it's not too bitter. I think our customers will like it.
I hope so. Should I put out the sugar and milk?
Yes, please, and the lids for the paper cups, too.
Got it. Are we opening in 30 minutes?
Yes, we still have time. Let me check the water. The machine needs clean water every morning.
You are very careful about the machine.
Of course, the machine is our most important thing here. If it does not work, we cannot make any coffee.
That is true. Okay, I think we are almost ready.
Great. Let me also check the milk. We need a lot of milk for lattes today.
There are 6 bottles in the fridge. Is that enough?
That should be enough for the morning. We can get more in the afternoon.
All right, I'm ready. Let's have a good day.
Yes, let us do our best today. Good morning. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, good morning. I would like a latte, please.
Sure. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
Medium, please.
Got it. 1 medium latte. Would you like hot or iced?
Hot, please. It is cold outside today.
It really is. Okay, 1 hot medium latte. That will be $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. I will make it right now. Do you want any sugar in it?
No, thank you. Just milk is fine.
Okay, I am putting the coffee in now. Do you see this? This is espresso.
Oh, it is very dark. What makes it so strong?
The machine pushes hot water through the coffee beans very fast. That is why it is strong and dark.
Interesting. Why do you call it espresso?
It comes from Italian. It means the coffee is pushed out. The machine presses the water through the beans.
Oh, I did not know that. That is really interesting. I learned something new every day.
I love sharing these small things with customers. Now let me add the milk. I warm it, then pour slowly.
It smells so good. How do you get the milk so warm?
We use hot steam. It comes from this small part on the machine. It heats the milk very fast.
Oh, I see. That makes a nice sound.
Yes, it does. And now, here is your latte. Be careful, it is very hot.
Thank you. Oh, this looks beautiful. Is that a design on top?
Yes, I made a small heart with the milk. It's a simple one.
That is so nice. Do you make designs like that for every customer?
I try to. It's a small thing, but it makes people smile. That is why I like this job.
I love it. I come here every morning and the coffee is always great.
That means a lot. Thank you for coming every day.
Of course. This is my favorite coffee shop. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. Next customer, please.
Hi there, good morning. What would you like today?
Hey, good morning. I usually get a regular coffee, but today I want to try something different.
Oh, that sounds fun. What are you thinking?
I am not sure. What do you have that is new?
Well, we have a new dark roast this week. It is from Colombia. It has a deep, rich taste.
Dark roast. Is that the very strong one?
It is strong in taste, yes, but here's something interesting. Many people think dark roast has more caffeine.
It does not?
Often, light roast has a little more caffeine than dark roast.
Really? That is surprising. Why is that?
When you roast coffee beans for a long time, they get darker, but the heat also takes away some caffeine.
So darker means less caffeine. I did not know that.
Yes, but the taste is very different. Light roast is light and sour. Dark roast is deeper and bitter.
I think I want to try the dark roast. I like stronger taste.
Great choice. What size?
Large, please.
Okay, 1 large dark roast. Do you want room for milk?
Yes, please. Just a little bit of room.
Got it. That will be $3.25.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Let me pour your coffee. Here, smell this. Can you tell the difference?
Oh, wow. It does smell different from my usual coffee. It smells deeper.
That's the dark roast. The longer roasting time gives it that deep smell.
I like it already. I think this will be my new order.
I'm glad to hear that. Here you go. 1 large dark roast with room for milk.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. The milk and sugar are on the table over there.
Great. I'll add a little milk. Thank you for telling me about the roast.
Of course. I love talking about coffee. Enjoy your new drink.
I will. See you next time.
See you soon.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is barista, meaning a person whose job is making coffee. For example, the barista made a nice latte for me. The second word is espresso, meaning strong coffee made by pushing hot water through beans. For example, Jake made a fresh cup of espresso. The third word is latte, meaning coffee with a lot of warm milk. For example, Nora ordered a hot latte this morning.
The fourth word is roast, meaning how long coffee beans are cooked with heat. For example, Tom tried the new dark roast today. The fifth word is tip, meaning extra money you give for good service. For example, Dave left a tip and said thank you. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now let's go back to Jake and Sophie at the counter.
The morning rush is finally over. I need a break.
Me too. That was busy. I think we made about 50 drinks this morning.
At least. Do you want me to make you something?
Sure, I would love a latte.
Okay, let me make one for you. I want to practice my art today.
Your latte art? You were getting really good at that.
Thank you. I practice every day. Watch this. I pour the foam slowly like this.
Oh, is that a leaf?
Yes, I made a leaf shape. Do you see the lines?
That is really nice. How do you do that?
The foam is important. It must be small and soft. Then you pour slowly and move your hand a little.
Small and soft foam. Got it. Can I try next time?
Of course. I will teach you. It took me about 2 months to learn the leaf shape.
2 months? That is a long time.
Yes, but it is worth it. Customers smile when they see a nice design. Sometimes they leave a bigger tip.
About tips, we got some good tips this morning.
Really? How much did we get?
I think about $15 so far. That woman with the latte left $3.
Wow, that is very kind. I always try to make every drink carefully. When you care, people can feel it in the coffee.
That is true. I think people come back because they know we care.
Exactly. This job is not just about making coffee. It's about making someone's morning a little better.
I agree. That's a nice way to think about it.
Okay, here is your latte. One leaf design just for you.
It looks great. Thank you, Jake.
You're welcome. Let us enjoy this quiet time. The afternoon rush will start soon.
You're right. Let me drink this quickly.
No, take your time. We still have about 20 minutes.
Okay. This latte is really good, by the way.
Thank you. That makes me happy.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you?
Hi, I need a coffee to go, please. I'm in a big hurry.
Sure, no problem. What kind of coffee do you want?
Just a regular one. Hot. The largest size you have.
Okay, one large hot coffee. Do you want dark roast or regular roast?
Regular is fine. Anything that is fast.
Regular is ready right now. I just need to pour it. Do you want milk or sugar?
No, thank you. Black is fine.
Got it. Black coffee, large. That will be $2.75.
Here is $3. Keep the change.
Thank you. That is very kind. Let me pour your coffee right now.
The cup is really hot. Is there something to hold it with?
Yes, here. I will add a paper holder. It goes around the cup.
Oh, that is much better. My hand was getting hot.
The paper holder keeps your hand safe from the heat. We always put one on large cups.
That is a good idea. I always wondered what that paper thing was for.
Now you know. It's a simple thing, but it really helps.
It does. And can I get a lid too?
Of course. Here is your lid. Be careful when you drink. The coffee is very hot right now.
Thank you. I will wait a few minutes before I drink it.
That is a good idea. Hot coffee is best after 5 minutes. It's still warm, but not too hot.
Got it. 5 minutes. I can wait that long.
Also, we have a cardboard tray if you need to carry more than one cup next time.
Oh, that is helpful. I sometimes buy coffee for my friends too.
Just ask for a tray next time. We'll give you one for free.
Thank you. I did not know that. I will remember that.
No problem. Enjoy your coffee. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. I need to run now.
Go. Have a great afternoon.
Okay, that was our last customer. Time to close up.
What a long day. I am tired, but it was a good day.
It really was. Let me turn off the open sign. Can you start putting the chairs up?
Sure. I will put them on the tables. How many customers did we have today?
I think about 120. That is more than usual.
Wow, that is a lot. That is why I am so tired.
Me too. But I'm happy. We had a lot of good talks with customers today.
That is true. The woman in the morning was really nice. She loved your heart design.
And your dark roast customer. He said he wants to come back for the same thing.
Yes, I love when customers try something new and like it.
That is one of the best parts of this job.
Okay, all the chairs are up. Should I clean the espresso machine now?
Yes, please. I will sweep the floor and wipe the tables.
The machine is still a little warm. That makes cleaning easier.
Good. We should also empty the water and put in fresh water for tomorrow.
I will do that, and I will clean the hot steam part too.
Perfect. Oh, and we should check the beans for tomorrow.
Let me look. We have 2 bags left. Is that enough?
For the morning, yes, but we should order more soon.
I will write it down. Order more beans.
Thanks. You know, I've been thinking we should come a little earlier tomorrow.
Earlier? We already come at 5:30.
I know, but the machine needs more time to warm up when it's very cold outside. Maybe 5:15.
Okay, that makes sense. We warm up the machine first, and the first cup will be perfect.
Exactly. A warm machine, fresh beans, clean water. That's how we make the best coffee.
I agree. All right, everything is clean. Shall we go?
Yes, good work today. See you tomorrow at 5:15.
See you then. Good night.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How much does a hot latte cost at this coffee shop? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.